In the pet market, cute is a misleading metric. Choosing a breed based on visual appeal without auditing its biological requirements is a recipe for system-wide failure. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a first-time compatibility audit. We analyzed 30 breeds for operational ease, maintenance cycles, and environmental duty cycles. We measured trainability metrics. The Labrador and Golden Retriever remain the standard baselines for first-time owners due to their high eagerness to please and forgiving biological temperaments. Maintenance overhead is a key factor. We audited the Poodle for its hypoallergenic integrity and high intelligence, making it the most efficient choice for owners needing a low-shedding, high IQ companion. For urban environments, we audited the energy load. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel and the French Bulldog offer the highest environmental compatibility for apartment dwellers and low-activity households. A surprising winner in our audit was the Greyhound. Despite their racing history, they have low maintenance cycles and a laid-back duty cycle, making them an elite choice for owners seeking a large but low-energy companion. Don't be seduced by the cute factor, audit the performance specs. In the workshop of the home, the best breed is the one that fits your technical and lifestyle requirements. Download the full 2026 First Time Breed Guide and see our compatibility logs at pawgearreview.com.